Hey folks, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making spicy bacon wrap smokies. Great little appetizer. It's real easy. It only has 4 ingredients and you're going to love them. I've already did some of them, but I'm going to show you how to make them. I had a 14-ounce package of cocktail smokies, and I had a pound of bacon, and I cut that in thirds. Oh, and 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 to a half of cayenne pepper. You're going to take your bacon, you're going to press it down in the brown sugar, and then you're going to flip it, because you want to roll the cocktail weenie on the side of the brown sugar. And then you're going to take a toothpick and fasten it. Then you're going to take the bacon, press it down till you get that brown sugar on that bacon, like that. You take the smoky and roll it. This is such an easy little appetizer for your holidays or anytime. Then you're going to fasten it with a toothpick. And we'll put it on the tray. Now, I had a couple of pieces of bacon left out of a pound, so I want to show you that. We've got the brown sugar left. We're going to take that and we're going to sprinkle it over each one of the smokies. Just take your little fingers and put it on top of each of them. Put them in the oven and bake them for 10 minutes. And then we're going to bring them out and flip them and bake them for another 5 to 10 minutes until they're crispy and golden brown. And we're back, folks, with this great looking spicy bacon wrap smokies. We left them in there 10 minutes, then we flipped them, left them in there 10 more minutes, and then we put them under the broiler because I wanted them a little bit crispy. So they are gorgeous. Show you here. They are hot. Don't that look good? Now they're too hot to take that toothpick out of there, but they're golden brown. Got that brown sugar melted all over it. Oh, it's wonderful. So I hope you try this recipe. It's really easy. It's only 4 ingredients. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite appetizer recipe. There's a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise, as well as any affiliate links that I have or have mentioned. Also in the description there will be a recipe and a link in my website to download a printable recipe. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.